Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Saturday the 1st of August 2020, and this is the weekly analysis of Euro, Cable and the Aussie dollar for the first week of August. And across these three pairs you can see that all of them have started to show signs of retracement. So we'll see whether it's the pause or the end of a bullish run so far. Let's take a look at the euro. And the euro hit a high of 119.09 on the Friday and then started to pull back right into this trend line, which extends all the way back from 2014. And we'll see whether, and it happens to be a almost a bullish engulfing, more like a shooting star on the Friday, and which more like a dark cloud cover against the previous day's bullish move. And for the interim, there's support at this previous let's take a look here, previous swing high here from 2018. And we'll see if it will hold, and if it doesn't, then it could continue down to the next support area around the 117 level near the 200 pip extension. We can also change this from the reversal to a continuation move all the way back from the lows of March, and you can see that it has hit the 160 pip extension right exactly to the point. All right, now with that, it could be a pause and consolidation and a retracement now, and we'll see how much retracement there is for this recent breakout. All right, this coming week there's only a couple of news from the Eurozone with final manufacturing PMIs and the services PMIs. But as with all the other major pairs this week from the US, there's the non-farm payroll report on Friday. So that will be a significant exposure there as well. All right, let's move on to the cable. Cable has picked up and rallied to catch up with the euro, and it has spiked through the 138 pip extension of this continuation move. Just fell short of the 132, hit a high of 131.70, and form a spinning top, almost a dragonfly doji, but it is a short-term retracement. Won't be a reversal yet, but it could be a short-term bearish move. And interim support is at the 130 round figure, and it started last week with a breakout from this swing high, at the 128.13. Now for this one, if we switch it to a bullish reversal move, you can see that it has actually hit the 162 fib reversal area, and 138 is nearby. So if it does retrace and it does come back all the way back to retest this breakout area, then that will be a key support zone. This week though, there is significant news from the UK with the Bank of England rate and policy decisions. And same as the Eurozone, there's also manufacturing and services PMIs on the same days, on Mondays and Wednesday. And also exposure to the US non-farm payroll report on Friday, right? So watch out for that as well. Let's move on to the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar did pull back initially at end of the previous week, and then started to continue its recent bullish breakout and hit the 0.72 round figure. It spiked through that as well, but it's looking like it's going to be retracing similar to the other major pairs. So it could come down back to retest the breakout from this swing high at 0.7064. Let's just this area here. And above that, there is the significant resistance at the 0.7328 at the 138.2 fib extension of this swing move. So we'll see whether when it is going to attempt to reach there. But this week there's a couple of major news with the RBA rate decision on Tuesday, and then their monetary policy statement on Friday, right? And as well as exposure to the US non-farm payroll report as well on Friday. Okay, so looking at the US dollar index, and that's the reason for the retracements for all the major pairs, as the US dollar is trying to recover and rebound, and that was on the Friday. So that's a bearish engulfing move, a bullish engulfing move, sorry, and attempting to recover. So we'll see how much it's able to recover. We could draw the Fibonacci ahead of time from the last bearish move. So if it attempts to recover back to the 38.2 fib, that's close to the 4-hour 55 EMA. So that could be a potential target there. We'll see if it's able to recover further, and we'll see what direction is at the 38 fib first. Alright, so do check out my other report on the spot gold and dollar yen, where they will be also exposed to the US non-farm payroll report on this Friday. And do have a good trading week, and stay safe, and cheers for now.